This is the 2988. The address is 7901. So my understanding is this is the slightly more expensive model. It is larger, but you also have this actual stone wall. It's not wallpaper, which I'm sure you remember well. So you have this little coffee butler's pantry area here. It's actually a big closet. Another 3/4 with stone, upgraded everything. Really beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna head upstairs. That's the garage. Huge. Really big. Massive. Ooh. Really nice large laundry room. Cute. Really large rooms. Again, this house is almost 3,000 square feet.
Why is it so small? Why is my bed so much bigger there?
Okay.